Okay, just got to camp. Got the animals unloaded. They're pretty happy about that. Ginger always can't wait to roll. I thought I'd show you some of the gear I use. This is just a 3-day trip again, so I'm certainly heavier than a backpacker, but I'm not where I normally am. So I've got some 1/2-inch poly rope. This will be my high line. I've got an extra rope just in case. That makes 100 feet. These are my rope hobbles that I covered in another video. I'll show you in a little bit how I put those on. And then with the rope, I have my tree savers. Does a couple things. Helps save the tree, obviously, but it also gives you a little extra distance. And then I've got a video on the high line, but it's got a few carabiners in it, some swivels, and some Persic loops that I put on the high line. And you can watch one of my other videos on that. I'll do a quick one when I do set them up, but thought I'd show that. And it all fits in this little Cordura case. And then I brought a little bit of water, a couple gallons. This isn't the best creek water down here, so bring some water. And then I've got my picket line. I'll set that up in a little bit. Of course, picket line needs a hammer or some sort. Got my roller table. I've had this thing for probably 30 years. It's a nice little table. I'll set it up here in a minute. Weighs 10 pounds. Certainly don't need it, but it's awfully nice. This is my kitchen. I certainly go a little heavier on a long trip, but this is just me. My stove is an MSR wind burner. This is my water filter. I love this thing. I've got a few different water filters, but this is a Sawyer Squeeze. It's gravity fed. I've got 2 1-liter bags for the dirty water and 2 1-liter bags for the clean water, so I always know which is which. Probably only takes 10 minutes to get a liter of water, so I just always have it hanging up. And this is my stove system. It's the MSR Wind Burner Duo. It's like a 1.8 liter pot. And this is an 8-inch skillet that goes with it. And I'll show you in a bit. I've got a coffee press, and I love coffee. I also have an AeroPress. And that's about it, other than cook gear, some extra fuel. It's kind of cold. This is my clothes. Extra pair of shoes. My sleeping bag. I have probably time to get a new one. I've had this thing for over 30 years. It's a down bag. It's rated at 20 degrees, but this long ago 20 degrees is a whole different deal than 20 degrees today. Much warmer. Got a little 2-person tent. I've got several different tents depending on what I'm doing, but this is a little 2-person half-dome REI tent. I think it weighs 4 pounds, so pretty light. Cinch prefers the tent. And I always bring a little fire grate. You can tell this is pretty beat up. Well, I don't always bring it. Sometimes fires aren't allowed, but they are today. And this is a little cast iron. One side's got grates on it, one side's flat. I know it looks a little rusty, but the fire will take care of that. I'm having carne asada tacos tonight. This is just a little rechargeable lantern. Makes it kind of nice. Always have a headlamp, always have a flashlight, and my sleep kit. This is my air mattress. It's a Big Agnes. It's like 25 inches wide, 6 feet long, and super thick and warm. I've got a little pillow because I like to sleep good. A lot of times I bring my cot. I didn't bring it on this one. And this is just GoPro stuff for filming. And this is my emergency bag. It's a bad day when I have to open this one up, but I've just got some repair things in it. Some duct tape, extra knife, extra flashlight, some things to repair saddles. Seldom do I have to get in that one. And then I always bring a couple old folding buckets. I don't know, I think they're 3 gallons, but it's nice if you gotta go grab water. And the rest of this is food. It's pretty darn cold, so I didn't even bring an ice chest. This is some carne asada. We're having tacos tonight, baby. And then I'm sure there's a little more, but a couple things I bring. This is a solar charger. Shouldn't need it on this trip. Only have tomorrow to do it, so hopefully I don't need it, but that's nice on longer trips. It's a Big Blue 28 watt, so it'll recharge my battery banks in a day. So I always have more than one battery bank, so one's always on that. And this I always bring. It's a Silky Big Boy. And this saw doesn't look like much, but it's Japanese steel. It's pull cut, and you can get a pretty big log out of the trail with this thing. And then I also have one that's a little bigger. On a big long pack trip, I'd certainly bring that. And that is about the camp. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the high line, set up camp, get these guys tied out. Got a few carrots for them, a little bit of grain, but mostly they're gonna eat grass. I know it doesn't really look like it, but there's actually a lot of green grass in here. So we'll see you.